Yo guys, this is Jerry and this is the first camera comparison between the very new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, let's get started.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Well, if you see that there is much more improvement to the Samsung's camera, because lastly the S20 Ultra model had too much camera issues, but they apologized and come back with a great camera in Note 20 Ultra. So it was a big improvement. While now it seems that they have really changed the game. Look at the green trees. It is absolutely not overexposed. It seems quite balanced and natural. But if you look at the sky, it is a bit different in the colors. iPhone as always keeps the more natural colors as possible, while Samsung as always adds some extra colors to look more attractive and colorful. Further, you just observe the whole video and let's see what do you like the most of them. Do comment and let me know that what is your favorite camera smartphone, S21 Ultra or the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.